Welcome to the tutorial video for the Chasing L1 Ultra Pool Cleaner. In the box you will find the robot, a charging base, a retrieval hook, and a quick start guide. We recommend charging your L1 Ultra before its first use. Place the charging base in an area out of direct sunlight. Then plug it into a power outlet. Please make sure the charging port is completely dry. Place the L1 Ultra on the wireless charging base. Make sure the charging ports align. The LED light will pulse during charging. It turns solid green when fully charged. Let's get you familiar with the basics. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn the robot on. The panel light will stay solid when it is ready. Press and hold the power button again to turn it off. You can use the control panel to set your cleaning areas and suction power. Press the mode button to cycle through the cleaning modes. These are standard, floor only, wall only, and water line. Press the suction button to change the power level. You can choose standard, eco, or ultra mode. You can also run everything right from the app. Before using the robot, please download the Chasing Go 3 app. Scan the QR code on your screen or search for it in your app store. First, turn on your phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Open the app. Tap Me, then tap Login to access your account. Open the app. It will automatically connect to the robot. Tap Configure to set up the network. Select a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Enter the password and tap Continue. Wait for the robot to connect to the internet. A cloud icon on the right side of the robot will light up. This means the network setup is complete. If you need to unpair the L1 Ultra, tap Device Binding and select L1 Ultra. Swipe left and choose Unbind Device. If the app prompts you to update the firmware, go to the Firmware Update page. Review the update details and start the process. To perform a manual update, tap the icon in the top right corner. Scan your firmware update QR code. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. Mapping helps it cover every single spot. Open the Chasing Go 3 app and go to the device page. Choose your preferred cleaning mode. Select the suction power. Choose the number of cleaning cycles. You can customize these settings to fit your actual needs. When finished, tap Start Mapping. After setting your preferences, hold the robot with both hands. Slowly lower it into the pool. Once it reaches the pool floor, the robot must locate itself before cleaning. It will automatically explore the pool, identify the edges, and create an initial map. After mapping, it will automatically sync with the app so you can view the map data. Each robot can store up to 3 maps. In Map Management, you can create, switch, edit, or delete maps. Tap Edit to add a parking point on the map. This sets exactly where the robot stops after cleaning. Future cleaning tasks will use these saved settings. You do not need to configure them again. After cleaning is complete, you can view the cleaning path on the map. Hunting mode turns on the robot's AI camera. This improves overall coverage and cleaning efficiency. When hunting mode is on, the front AI camera scans the pool and spots dirt. It combines this with LiDAR data to plan the best path and deep clean the dirtiest areas. The scheduled cleaning feature lets the robot start automatically at a specific time. Set your weekly pool schedule. Scheduling via the app. The app allows you to set up to 4 scheduled cleanings. Go to the Schedule page on the app's navigation bar. Tap Create Scheduled Cleaning. Select your desired date and time. Your cleaning schedule is now set. Scheduling via the robot. Using the buttons on the robot allows for a single scheduled cleaning. Press and hold the mode button. The robot will automatically start cleaning in exactly 24 hours. To cancel this schedule, press and hold the mode button again. Once your L1 Ultra is all done, when the cleaning cycle is complete, the robot automatically climbs the pool wall. Simply lift the L1 Ultra by the handle to take it out of the water. Lift the handle to remove the filter basket. The basket opens from both the top and the bottom. Rinse it thoroughly with a garden hose. That concludes the tutorial video for the Chasing L1 Ultra. We hope you enjoy your clean pool.